This week's vocabulary story is From Caterpillar to Butterfly. We are going to be learning about the butterfly life cycle. Many baby animals look a lot like their parents. A newborn colt grows up to be a horse. A newborn cub grows up to be a bear. So this week we have our vocabulary word, which is newborn. A newborn means that they were just born. But do you know what a caterpillar grows up to be? If you said a butterfly, then you are correct. However, a caterpillar looks nothing like a butterfly. How do caterpillars grow and change into beautiful butterflies? What is the process every butterfly goes through? So this week, our vocabulary word, which is process, which means a step or set of changes that happen. A butterfly goes through 4 stages or steps in its life. The first stage is the egg. Some butterflies lay eggs in groups. Others, such as the monarch butterfly, just lay one egg at a time. The mother butterfly lays her eggs on plants that her young will later like to eat. After approximately 1 week, the second stage begins. That's when a caterpillar hatches from an egg. The caterpillar is small and slender. This week's vocabulary word is slender, which means thin. It looks like a tiny worm. The caterpillar is less than half an inch long. It eats a lot and grows quickly. First, the caterpillar eats the shell from which it hatched. Then it feeds on plant leaves. The caterpillar uses its strong jaws, which are found under its head, to munch on the leaves. It uses other parts of its mouth to smell and taste the food. As the caterpillar grows, it molts. Molts means that caterpillars shed their skin. This happens 4 or 5 times. After a few weeks, the caterpillar has reached its full size. Now it is ready for the next stage, stage 3. The third stage is called the pupa. During this stage, the caterpillar attaches itself to a plant and forms a hard case around itself. The case is called a chrysalis or a cocoon. The chrysalis protects the caterpillar inside as it changes into a butterfly. The caterpillar remains in the pupa stage for several weeks. This week's vocabulary word is remains, which means to stay in its place. Although the pupa hangs without moving, there is a lot going on inside. The caterpillar is changing. It is becoming a butterfly. During the last stage, stage 4, a mature butterfly pushes through the chrysalis and crawls out. At first, the butterfly rests for a while. This week's vocabulary word is mature, which means that the animal or plant has finished growing. It is tired and weak, and its wings are damp. When its wings are dry, it flies off to look for food. Now you are able to see the beautiful colors and patterns on its wings. A few weeks after the butterfly comes out of the chrysalis, it's ready to mate. After mating, the female butterfly looks for the right kind of plant where she can lay her eggs. Then the process begins all over again.